In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fresha, an indispensable tool for business owners in the beauty and wellness industry. Fresha allows you to streamline your appointments, finances, and client management, all from a single platform. Whether you're new to Fresha or looking for a refresher on its features, this guide will walk you through the essentials to get you up and running smoothly. Let's start with accessing Fresha for your business. Begin by navigating to the Fresha website, specifically designed for businesses. Once there, you'll find a user-friendly interface ready to guide you through the rest of the process. The next step is to log into your account. Look for the login option on the page. It's your gateway to accessing your business dashboard. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to a new set of options. For business owners, it's crucial to select the For Business option. This ensures you're accessing the platform with the right set of tools tailored for managing your business. One convenient feature of Fresha is the ability to sign in using your Google account. This streamlines the login process by avoiding the need to remember another password. Simply click on Sign in using Google and choose the Google account you want to use for your Fresha account. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Home section. Think of this as your command center. Here you'll get an overview of your transactions, sales, and appointments. It's a great place to start each day, giving you a snapshot of your business's performance at a glance. Speaking of insights, let's talk about the calendar. The calendar is essentially the backbone of your scheduling system. Here you get a comprehensive overview of your team's schedule, upcoming appointments, and availability. Sifting through your calendar efficiently will ensure you never miss an appointment and always stay on top of your bookings. Moving on, the sales section is your financial dashboard. Here you can keep an eye on your transactions, monitor your sales growth, and manage refunds or discounts. Understanding your sales metrics is crucial for making informed decisions that help grow your business. The Clients tab is next on our list. This section is invaluable for managing your client relationships. It displays client profiles, including their contact information, appointment history, and preferences. Maintaining up-to-date client profiles helps personalize the service and build stronger relationships. Another essential component of Fresha is the online booking system. This feature allows you to set up a booking link for your services, which you can share on your website or social media. It's a convenient way for clients to book appointments, reducing the administrative load on your end and improving the customer experience. Team management is the final piece of our tour through Fresha. In the team section, you can manage your team's schedules, set up service rosters, and block out time for breaks or meetings. Effective team management ensures that your business operates smoothly and your staff is well informed of their schedules. As you navigate through Fresha, remember that each section is designed to make managing your business simpler and more efficient. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the platform and don't hesitate to explore each tab and its features in depth. Following these guidelines, you'll find that managing appointments, finances, and client relationships with Fresha becomes a breeze. It empowers you to focus more on what you do best, delivering exceptional service to your clients. Remember, Fresha is not just a tool, it's a partner in your business's growth and success. That wraps up our guide on how to use Fresha for your business. We've covered the key features and how to navigate the platform efficiently. With practice and exploration, you'll become a Fresha expert in no time. Thank you for watching, and here's to growing your business with Fresha